Good morning. I've seen a couple questions on how to do the magic ring, and I have to say I really struggled with that as well when I first started. So I did use it in this bunny here for both the head, the ears. The rest of it I think was just chains, but the head and the ears were definitely magic rings, and you can see how nice and pretty that looks. So let me try to show you very slowly. I do recommend pausing the video or changing the speed back to slow so that you can really see each step. But once you get it, you'll get it. It's just a matter of practicing over and over. So what you want to do is just take your yarn, hold it here, and wrap it around your fingers, crossing it like that. Okay, then take your hook, put it under this first piece, pull the second piece through like that. And then you want to take your working yarn, so that's that free piece there, and pull a chain through like that. And you got a magic ring. It looks a little fiddly, and it is a little fiddly, especially when you're trying to show somebody how to do it. But then you can just, I don't know, however many chains your pattern says, just do it. And then crochet into the ring, like so. There you go. And once you have your stitches, you just pull this little tail tight, like that. I'll do it one more time because it is really fiddly and funny looking. I'll undo it. Hold on to your yarn. Wrap it like so. Take your hook under this first piece and grab the second piece. Hook it and bring it around. Now this here over here is your working yarn. So you want to hook it and bring it through. And that serves as your first chain. I like to grab it when I take it off my finger so I don't mess it up. Grab your yarn as if you're working it, because you will be. And there you go. Now for this one, I'm only going to keep that one chain and do a single crochet. I'll do a couple of them so you can see. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do one more and then I'll pull it tight so you can see. 6. There's your ring. There's your 6 double crochets. I'm sorry, single crochets. Now, if you want to tighten it, you just grab this right here, and there you go. I don't recommend tightening it all the way until you get your next stitches in, because it kind of pulls them too tight, but pull it kind of snug, leave a little bit of wiggle room. And then depending on the pattern that you're working, you'll either slip stitch, or if you're just working in the round without slip stitching, it's going to be a little snug because I pulled it a little bit tight. And then once you work your next round, you can come back and get it just as tight as you want. See? Hope that helps. Let me know if there's something else you want to learn.